Chief cells. Chief cells are located in the parathyroid glands. The parathyroid glands are found on the posterior surface of the thyroid gland. Here, a parathyroid gland and a thyroid gland have been looked at under a microscope. Chief cells can be found in clusters by the outer edge. And here you can see the chief cells that are in clusters. There are two kinds of chief cells. Gastric chief cells, which work in conjunction with the parietal cell, which release gastric acid, converting the pepsinogen into pepsin. And pepsin is an enzyme whose pepsinogen is released by the chief cells in the stomach and that degrades food proteins into peptides. It is one of the three principal proteolic enzymes in the digestive system. During the process of digestion, these enzymes collaborate to break down dietary proteins into their components. This is an image of a gastric chief cell. The other kind of chief cell is a parathyroid chief cell. It is one of the few cell types of the body that regulates intracellular calcium levels as a consequence of extracellular changes in the calcium concentration. Chief cells are dark when they are filled with the parathyroid hormone and clear when the hormone has been discharged. And here you can see where the hormone has been discharged already and which cells are still holding the hormone. The overall function of a chief cell is to synthesize and secrete pepsinogen, the precursor to the proteolic enzyme pepsin. Pepsinogen is the substance that is secreted by the stomach wall and converted into the enzyme pepsin by gastric acid. Pepsin cleaves peptide bonds, which favor those on the C-terminal side of the tyrosine, phenylalanine, and tryptophan residues. Its action breaks long polypeptide chains into shorter lengths. Secretion by the gastric glands is stimulated by the hormone gastrin. Gastrin is released by endocrine cells in the stomach in response to the arrival of food. The parathyroid gland is important to humans. There are 4 in the body because one wouldn't be enough to do its job. It regulates calcium levels in our bodies. The gland is made up of 4 types of cells, and chief cells is one of them. The calcium affects the density and strength of bones. Calcium movement allows the nervous system to work. Every cell in the body uses calcium to function properly. The chief cells help the parathyroid gland allow all of this to happen. And that is what I have to share with you about chief cells. Thank you.